Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If this is your first time coming onto the channel, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. But now, let's get right in today's content. Looking across the board, you guys can see over the last 24 to 1 hours, you guys can see the market is once again going back into the green after we did have a massive correction just 2 days ago. You can see the market is once again coming back into the green, but nothing to be getting excited about because in the last 7 days, you guys can see the majority of the cryptocurrency market is down quite a bit right now. But today, guys, we will be focusing on Algorand. What's happening with Algorand's price and where could we be going in the immediate short term? But before I begin, just want to give you guys a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. Looking at the price of Algorand, currently trading at 19.2 cents, down 1.1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. Also down 1.5% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. But, we're still hovering very strongly around that top 32 spot. So that's definitely something nice to note. And the market cap is currently sitting at $1.37 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 58.6 million. But now if we're looking at the charts, kind of zooming into the charts and see what's happening within the price over the past few days, you guys can see the price is once again, this is the fourth day in a row that we are seeing the price sitting below this massive level of resistance. It is playing as a level of resistance now, you can say it, but it was a massive level of support for the price of Algorand. This is the fourth day in a row where we have not really seen the price of Algorand try to retest this level of resistance. We did break below it on December 15th, and a lot of coins across the board have seen yearly lows just on December 15th because of the fact that Bitcoin was, having a retracement. And this retracement that we have seen is due to the fact that Binance has a lot of FUD going on for itself. And if you guys are not aware, Binance is the biggest exchange. So if Binance, were to have any sort of negative news come out for itself, the cryptocurrency market is going to set itself back in, another 5 years, I believe. And obviously that's going to impact the entire crypto space. So obviously that was, an indication as to why we did see this pullback. But let's not forget, when we were seeing a, bounce towards the upside for the price of BTC, you guys can see we never made the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And I've been telling you guys for quite some time, we need to get back into 78.6. We need to get back into 78.6, sounding like a broken record at this point. But you guys cannot make these things up. The price literally did not even touch it, and boom, we seen a retracement. So what does this mean for Algorand's future? Are we about to see Algorand hit some newer lows, or are we finally starting to see this upwards transformation forming up? Or if we go back all the way to the 2020 prices of Algorand, you guys can see we're sitting at some crucial level of support for the price of Algorand right now, and that dates back to 2020. And if we lose this level of support, guys, this is extremely important right now. This is why I was telling you guys we need to stay above that 21 cents level of support. But right now we are not in the safe end of the spectrum. You guys can see these wicks, and there's a lot of support built up around this range. If the price loses the support and the Bitcoin price were to tumble more towards the downside, and we hear some more negative news were to come out in regards to Binance, SBF, this entire mania, I really do believe that Algorand is going to retest this 10 cents mark. And if I do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, that's quite a big of a drop. That would mean a drop of about 50%. And now you may be saying that is insane. That is insane. But I personally don't believe these prices, even if it were to touch that, I don't think that these prices are going to hold on for too long. And Bitcoin would need a retracement, in my personal opinion, for about 30% at least, in order for us, 25 to 30% for the price of Algorand to dump that much. So if 25% let's say BTC were to retrace 30%, that's 11,600. So, this is what we've been talking about on our channel for quite some time too. I'm not convinced that we have seen the bottom. I think capitulation is around that range itself. I've always said 11 to 12K, and what better way? 30% retracement. It seems like everything is going as planned. And if we were to see this type of drop happen for the price of Bitcoin, I would see that Algorand will revisit these prices that we have not seen for quite some time. Last time the price of Algorand was around those levels was all the way back on March 12th, 2020. So these are some very, very important levels for Algorand to hold. If not, things can look a little scary. So that's what I wanted you guys to inform. Obviously, the positive thing would be is to get back above this level of resistance. That would definitely be a positive thing to note, and get back around the 32 cents mark because we have a lot of support around there. But that is it for today's update. Let me know down below what you guys think. What is your overall take on this, where you could see the price of Algorand go in the immediate short term, especially 2023? And let me know if you guys agree with my analysis. How would you look at it? Let me know down below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow on Crypto ZX, and peace out.